Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this meeting, I will present my research about fraud pattern. In this meeting, I will present my paper. In the title is Fraud Pattern Classification: A Study of Fraud in Business Process of Indonesia Online Sales Transaction. Fraud detection has become an important research topic in recent years. In online sales transaction, fraud can occur on a business process. The example in the online sales transaction is, and fraud which occurs in business process is usually known as a process-based fraud. Process-based fraud. Yeah. Process mining for fraud detection. Process mining is a discipline focusing on extracting information from event log. It is an example of event log. Yeah, this example of event log. Event log are data about the process carried out in a business process. From an event log, we can have information about case ID, activity name, result, start timestamp, and complete timestamp will be obtained. And if we show that it is event log, it is a business process, and it is best checked with method is conformal checking to conformant between event log and process model. So for fraud detection, process mining use method conformer methods to get wake of different process model. Previous study, we research about process-based fraud with introduce behavior model, behavior model, and with the behavior model, we have increased accuracy about 2%, 2%. So I think it is good, good of a research. But when the method we use to fraud detection in online sales transaction, maybe we have decreased accurate. So to increase accuracy in fraud detection in online sales transaction, we will study about the new method, maybe new method or new attribute in the special in online sales transaction. It is a standard operating system. The SOP can written in various format. In SOP arrangement, the result arrange SOP based on the event log using heuristic algorithm. And to create that SOP, we can use prompt application. After we create in the prompt application, we can translate to for file PNML format. In this research, we have 10,000 data from 2016 until 2018. And we divide into two parts, that training data and testing data. And in this research, we use throughput time analysis, different pattern analysis, and the distant event analysis. And it is maybe news method, with the distant event analysis method in property in the study. Now, we will show that SOP violation, SOP violation. Conformer which is performed by event log and SOP is able to identify various indicators of attribute of fraud in some case. It is a sample of SOP violation. Moreover, the number of its identified attribute violation is converted into attribute value in the form of fuzzy number with low, middle, or high. The attributes of each case are classified to illustrate the identified fraud pattern. It is an example of fraud pattern. C00X have a low in throughput time long and low in different pattern. Case 0029X have throughput time short low and distant low. And now in the last KNN algorithm is used to obtain sort of distant value between data mining data in training data. It is a fraud pattern online sales transaction. Case code, throughput time short, throughput time long, different pattern, distant event, skip. And we saw in the case F007, throughput time short have low and distant event low, middle. In the base, we create fraud pattern and fraud rate. If you see in the fraud case F001, throughput time low, throughput time 0, different low, and it has 10%. It is the weight, fraud back, fraud back. And in the F007 have throughput time low, distant event middle, and they have weight fraud is 13.6%. Yes, 13.5%, sorry. Now I will detection in online sales transaction. After we try in the data training and check in the data testing, we implementation two methods to benefit the purpose of the method. First, analyze test data using internal method, and analyzing the test data using method proposed in the study. And the expert analyze test using their method. Accuracy evaluation of both methods was used to find out of the benefit of the method. After we experiment, we have auto evaluation. Result 8 to 2 case of SOP violation. After we discussed with the expert, 229 cases were identified true positive. 593 cases as false positive. 3178 cases true negative. Meanwhile, by using this method, 352 cases were identified true positive. 3178 cases as true negative. So we can use the result of combine or compare of two methods. We have the result. This method have accuracy of 18.8%. So it is more better than preview result. It is if we want to see that result of data evaluation. This study company business process with safe on sales transaction have three methods: throughput time analysis, distance event analysis, and different analysis. This result proposed for fraud attribute: throughput time short, throughput time long, distance event, and different pattern. Different distance event and different pattern. This also proposed fraud pattern classification which facilitated the fraud of identity in transaction online. Fraud detection method consists of SOP violation analysis, fraud attribute, and fraud pattern contribute to process mining to detect fraud. Okay, thank you for present in of my paper. Thank you.